Meaning of foolishness.
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 Foolishness. Foolishness refers to the quality of being unwise or imprudent. It is characterized by a lack of sound judgment or common sense, often leading to negative consequences. Examples of foolish behavior include taking unnecessary risks, making impulsive decisions, or disregarding advice from others. The result of foolishness can be disastrous, causing harm to oneself or others, financial or legal trouble, or negative impacts on personal relationships and reputation. Overall, foolishness can lead to a range of negative outcomes and is generally considered a negative trait.